Hi there, students. To retaliate, a verb. Retaliation, the noun, most normally uncountable. And then an adjective, retaliatory. Retaliatory. So retaliation is to pay somebody back for something bad they've done to you, to strike back, to hit back, okay, to hurt someone because they've hurt you, or to do something harmful to somebody because they've done something to you. Yeah. So yeah, it's very often our first reaction when we are hurt is to retaliate, to hit back. Yeah. He insulted me and I retaliated with insults, but normally that just makes the situation worse. Yeah. With a vendetta. Yeah, maybe a gang kills a member of another gang, and then tit for tat, retaliation. They kill someone in repayment. So to retaliate, to hurt somebody back. Yeah. Okay. He claimed he had been fired as retaliation for blowing the whistle on the company. Yeah, this is talking about an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Yeah, one thing I always wonder, in Spanish they say this is la ley del talión, the law of retaliation, and clearly there's a link, talión, with this word retaliation. It's to take reprisals against somebody. Yeah. Yeah, somebody hits you and you hit back. Yeah. Yeah, the smallest worm will turn being trodden on and will retaliate. It will commit some retaliatory act. It will pay back. Yeah, so to make an attack in return for a similar attack. Yeah, he hit me and I hit him back in retaliation. Yeah, this is the idea of retaliation. Yeah, it's a punitive response for something that somebody's done to you, or for an injustice, to get your revenge. Or as they sometimes say, get your revenge in first. Yeah, retaliate before they get the chance. That's a bit of a joke, though. Yeah, so a retaliatory strike. So, I don't know, one country sent nuclear missiles at another country, and clearly there was a retaliatory strike. They sent missiles back. Yeah? To retaliate, to take revenge, to make things even again. Yeah, to retaliate for an injury, evil for evil. Yeah, to return like for like. Yeah, to return an injury or a wrong with something similar. So to get back at somebody, to avenge, to get even, to strike back. Yeah, to take revenge. To even the score, to get your own back, to give as good as you get, yeah? To take an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth, to give tit for tat, yeah? Tit for hat, that's Cockney slang. Yeah, I really wanted to retaliate, but I thought it was better because karma will come back against me if I do. Okay, so to retaliate against somebody, to retaliate against something. Yeah. Okay, so it's the reply. If you insult him, he will retaliate. He will get his own back at you. Yeah. I refuse to retaliate because it's below me. Okay, and to retaliate, formality. Retaliation. I think I'm going to give it a 5. 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. Okay, a regular verb. He retaliated. He's retaliated. And then the origin comes from Latin, from retaliatus, to retaliation, which comes from the verb retalio. Yeah, to pay back, effectively, to return. Yeah? Okay, so retaliation. Well, if you can avoid retaliating, it's probably a good thing. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Retaliate, retaliation, retaliatory.